Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Data Studio with Excel, a quick guide to help you create dynamic interactive reports from your spreadsheets. First, open your browser and go to Google Looker Studio. Once you're there, you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface designed for building and managing reports efficiently. Next, click the Create button at the top left of the screen. From the options, select Report. Now it's time to connect your data source. Select Microsoft Excel, then click Upload File. Browse your computer and choose the Excel file you want to work with. Make sure your spreadsheet is up to date to save time on revisions later. Once uploaded, your Excel data is fully integrated into Google Data Studio. From here, you can explore charts, tables, and other visualization tools to create compelling interactive dashboards. And that's it. You've successfully connected Excel with Google Data Studio and can now start visualizing your data in a whole new way. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.